Hello, hi Deepak.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Yeah, hello, hi, good evening. How are you, Deepak?
Yes, sir.
How are you?
That's totally fine. What about you?
Yeah, fine, fine. So, Deepak, can you just help me with your brief introduction?
Yes, sir. Myself,
Yeah.
Deepak Kumar Singh,
Mm-hmm.
and I have been graduated in 2021 from AKTU in Information and Technology branch.
Mm-hmm.
And right now, just I have to appear in my CAT examination. I was preparing for that,
Mm-hmm.
and sideways, I was looking for tech jobs in different MNCs like
Mm-hmm.
TCS, Infosys, and this type of giants, essentially. For
Okay.
that only, I was just after finishing my CAT exam, I was
Mm-hmm.
looking for the preparation and introduced of this type of examination which is going on.
Okay, great, great. So, Deepak, can you just tell me about your technical skills? What kind of technical
So
skills you
basically,
have?
I have worked on right now. Basically, I have worked on C
Mm-hmm.
and just intro in Java. Not so pro. Just I'm quite
Okay.
learning in that.
Okay. And what
And
about
basic
yeah?
of
Mm-hmm. And
basic
yeah,
of
continue.
that DBMS.
Okay.
DBMS is the
Mm-hmm.
database analysis.
Okay. Okay. So, are you aware about OOPS concept?
Yeah, yeah. Object oriented programming.
Yeah.
It
So,
is.
can you just explain me about that?
Also, basically, oops, just before starting any program, there are some briefing, like some intro is there,
Mm-hmm.
as like we are talking about in C++.
Mm-hmm.
First of all, before learning that, we have to go through oops. There are different type of terms which
Mm-hmm.
we can say as uh, which is you predefined words or subject which is used in programming. As like that is there in object-oriented programming, we basically use
Mm-hmm.
polymorphism, inheritance, different type of prefix we can say,
Mm-hmm.
so that by learning that we can make our programming so sustainable that it can't be
Mm-hmm.
hampered or hurdle in our coming days for learning our higher altitude programs.
Okay. Okay. Great. So, Deepak, have you completed any projects in your academic?
So project like I have completed, but my contribution was not so much that due to pandemic we were doing it from home only.
Mm-hmm.
So our coordination was not so proper. Just as like if college has demanded the project, then that we have completed as like
Okay.
not so deeply we have gone through it.
Okay. Okay.
The
Okay.
project
Yeah.
was on a waster management system
Mm-hmm.
using code that is quick response code as according to. May I explain the project?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Just give me basic info about your project.
So basically, it was as due to pandemic, everything was
Mm-hmm.
so disastrous
Mm-hmm.
everywhere at like in any organization.
Mm-hmm.
So touching everything was as like not so useful. So it was for entering in any organization, the
Mm-hmm.
things totally will be made touchless as like QR. Like
Mm-hmm.
we are using QR code for payment. As
Mm-hmm.
that time only we feed the data entry. Data entry was there of all the employees or the person whatever who is visiting in the office, and that is directly scanned by our scanner. And
Mm-hmm.
if that is authentication to the person, then he is able to enter in the organization or he is rejected.
Mm-hmm.
That was the aim which we were working on.
Okay. 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 Great. So, Deepak, can you just explain me about function overloading?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you just explain me about function overloading?
uh, Function overloading. I
Yeah.
have gone through it. Right now, I'm not having so proper idea about it. I can
Okay.
will be going.
Okay. Okay. No issue. Are you aware about static?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what is this, and in which way we can use static in our programming?
So static, basically, I have read in C that two functions were there, static and dynamic.
Mm-hmm.
Static in a single program, we can step out like a different type of process. We
Mm-hmm.
have to not code for that. In a
Mm-hmm.
single program, we can make many
Mm-hmm.
changes as like it can be able to run. But in case of dynamic, we have to change the font as well as we have to change the things for running a different type of systematic program.
Okay. 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 So, are you aware about global variables?
So I have a variable I aware about, but not about global variable.
Okay. Okay. So, Can you just like explain me about encapsulation?
Yeah, rapamycin encapsulation basically
Mm-hmm.
as like suppose I'm taking an example of capsule as like
Mm-hmm.
we are taking as medicine that
Mm-hmm.
is different type particles are wrapped into single piece of capsule that is what called from that only
Mm-hmm.
encapsulation is derived. The
Mm-hmm.
wrapping of data into single unit that we can say like different type of bundles are data are there and we are
Mm-hmm.
wrapping it into single unit that
Oh,
is mainly we
okay.
consider it as encapsulation.
Okay. So what kind of attribute we are using for that in programming?
Yes sir.
So what kind of attributes we are using for same in programming for getting yeah, for implementation of encapsulation?
Sir, right now I don't have proper idea about
Okay. Okay, no issue. Are you aware about a string
it. No sir.
array?
Yeah, I have wrote it.
Yeah. So can you just name me two or three array functions?
Yes, ma'am, we can hear.
Array basically
Mm-hmm.
we have used in our C programming language.
Mm-hmm. Okay, in C++ also we have array. In, if you have a study about
Yes,
Java, we have also array, right?
yes, sir.
Okay. So are you aware about pointers?
Yes, a pointer.
Yeah.
So basically, we can consider it as a variable.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Basically, variable which allocates, we can say another variable. That is what we are saying in pointers.
Okay. Okay. And is it possible to store values in pointer variable?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what kind of value they store?
Yeah, in case of yeah, they can store the value.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Are you aware about polymorphism?
Yes, sir. Polymorphism.
Mm-hmm.
So polymorphism basically we can say that we can represent as like one basically uh, suppose we are taking any object as
Mm-hmm.
like of example and we can represent it in different forms. That
Mm-hmm.
is only I think what
Okay.
polymorphism
Yeah.
is.
Okay. Okay. Last question, Deepak. Last question from this technical side, like C, C++. Then we will move to SQL and will basics of networking and all. So the last question, are you aware about this keyword?
Yes, sir. Keywords.
This keyword, yeah. This keyword we are using in C++, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So what is this key?
So keywords basically we use.
Hmm. Okay. No issue, Deepak.
No,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah. Okay, no issue. Deepak, moving to SQL part. So, how much comfortable you are in SQL and how much you are rating yourself in SQL out of 10?
Sir, I'm just as a beginner. Just started a week ago only going through it.
But in your academic you have learned, like in your academic you have already studied and
Yeah, yeah.
it's
That is the
about to
theory.
end
Was
of your academic.
yes,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. That was basically theory part. We haven't
Yeah.
implemented it anywhere. That is what SQL, that is a structured query language,
Mm-hmm.
and just we use a different type of query to
Mm-hmm.
different type of things by in form of query to run that and make
Mm-hmm.
it proper
Mm-hmm.
appropriate representation for any query or any task which is given to us.
Mm-hmm.
As like assembling the things in a different order by running query, we can make it a different
Mm-hmm.
arrangement for different things, like in data entry or this type of things.
Okay, okay, no issue. So, Deepak, are you aware about unions in SQL?
Unions in SQL.
Yeah, or the VMS, whatever you can say.
So union means, sir, as according to a union means combining our data and we take out the common from that, as we have read in set.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. So, are you aware about
As
primary
like,
key?
yeah, yeah. So primary is a key, we have
Yeah.
read about that.
Yeah. So, what is difference between primary key and unique key?
Primary key is basically, sir, uh, as primary key basically used for a unique identification of data.
Mm-hmm.
Whereas, no, no, Sir, I have learned, but I have not yet prepared so far to answer you.
No,
Can
no, Deepak, you can't say like this. It's like your placement time. It's going to end
yeah,
of
yeah,
your
that is one.
academic, but you can't say
Yeah,
you
yeah.
didn't prepare and all. So okay, Deepak, no issue. So Deepak, can you just name me two or three aggregate functions?
Agree functions. So this is from SQL only,
Yeah,
aggregate
SQL
function.
only. Yeah. For example, we have used count function in SQL, right? So this count is also aggregate function. So can you just name me different?
So count as like we can just sum,
Mm-hmm.
minimizing and maximizing,
Mm-hmm.
like averaging as well, averaging, minimizing, maximizing sum.
Okay, okay, no issue. So Deepak, let's move to some basics of networking. I will ask. So, how many types of layer we have in networking? Do you have any idea? How many
Layer
layers?
C,
Yeah, how many layers we have in networking?
basically, sir, three type, I think.
Okay.
So as like networking transport layer,
Mm-hmm. Yeah, right.
physical layer,
Mm-hmm.
and as application layer.
Okay. Okay.
Three
Can you just name me types of network?
network,
Yeah.
LAN, MAN, and WAN.
Mm-hmm.
Local area,
Haha.
local area network,
Mm-hmm.
metropolitan area network.
Mm-hmm. And what is pan area network? Pan network? Where we are using pan network? Do you have any idea?
PAN network.
Mm-hmm.
So all over a structure, that is PAN. Basically, that is like we are using concise mainly in the single type of offices type.
Mm-hmm.
That is a single a layer system. That is we are over a single network.
Mm-hmm.
That is we are using that PAN.
Okay. Okay, Deepak.
Yes,
Yeah.
first
Okay, no issue. Deepak, are you aware about binary search?
binary.
Search in data structure.
Yes, binary search.
Okay, so what is this binary search? Can you just explain?
In case of data structure, binary
Mm-hmm.
search mainly we use the algorithm
Mm-hmm.
for searching.
Mm-hmm.
Like we use different type of algos for searching
Mm-hmm.
in data structure
Okay.
by
Okay, 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 no issue. So thank you so much, Deepak. Thank you so much for joining. So whatever will be the result, we will inform you. So thank you so much for
okay.
joining.